bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
Frank, this is the last time you pull this shit. When I get a hold of you, I'm gonna peck your eyeballs out, you son of a bitch. Oh shit, boss, are you okay? Jerry, go around the side of the pool. Okay. God damn it, Frank.
Are you... I can smell that catnip. You owe me about 10 pounds of it, god damn it.
Sharon, you're gonna blow my cover.
Son of a bitch.
Cover down.
Hey, Sharon, you know where Gary is? He owes me quite a bit of catnip, you know.
Sharon, come on.
Where the hell are you, Gary?
Okay, Sharon, just shield me.
Gary, you son of a bitch, where's my catnip?
Steven, just relax, man.
Gary, you owe me about 10 pounds. Oh,
David.
You think you can hide from me? Alright, which one of you gonna get it today, huh? Ooh, looks like I'm gonna get you.
Not today, Barry.
You lucky bastard. Alright, who's it gonna be next, huh? Oh, Barry. Fuck you, George. That's right. Get out of the way.
Jesus.
Don't flirt with him.
I'm not going to...
What up, baby cakes? You know Tom Brady? I'm the real goat. Real talk, you ever been with a goat?
Oh yeah, I love that. Oh, God damn it. Jesus, Frank. Fuck you, Jimmy.
Alright, right here, so just gotta find the right spot for this guy here. Just gonna move that. Yep, perfect. Ooh, that was a close one. Alright, now we gotta get the left garbanzo tree. Yep. Just a beautiful day out here, isn't it, Carl? What do you... over here?
Frankie, jail. It's gonna be okay.
Alright, just gonna make my way down here and... Oh, god damn it. Okay, Janice, just hold on here. I'm gonna pop my... Alright, meow. Alright, so Janice, here's the deal. Meow. You got a big mice problem, you know? Bigger than I've ever seen before, to be quite... Meow. To be quite honest with you, and it's gonna cost you. It's gonna cost you about 10 pounds of catnip. You know, that's standard union rate. Alright, don't make the decisions around here. I'm gonna get back up there, Janice. I'm gonna bill ya. Yeah, Steven right here.
Hey, Steven, what about me? Come on. I want to...
Steven, you forget about old Papa Bear over here? Come on, set it down. Set it downtown. I can get it. Come on, don't you worry about that. Come on, just send it on here.
Okie dokie, just gotta pull this thing open and, God, what's the deal here? So, hold on, let me just, so that's the floor, of course. Alright, so I should be able to, man, I can smell that cat food from a mile away. It's just gotta pull this thing open and, Sharon, what kind of oh, yes, of course, it's the slidey doors. I knew that. Alright, where's the cat food?
You want this ball? Yeah. Well, I'll tell you what. If you can come over here and you can take it, it's yours. Oh, God. Oh, jeez. I just shit myself.
Okay, I've had enough. I've been trying to catch you all day, and you keep ducking me. Get back here. Come on. Listen up, you son of a bitch. Damn it, you know I have asthma.
Alright, what do we got in store today? Holy shit! Are you...
What in darnation? What am I looking at here? This was not. I could have sworn it was not here yesterday. This is blowing my mind. Oh, god damn it. Shouldn't have done that. Alright, I gotta do the old snifferoo test, see what we're dealing with. Yeah, that's a rock. If I've ever... Yeah, that's a rock. I'm like 99% sure. Alright, well, that's a wrap. Just gonna creep on... Oh, whoa, is that Timmy? Watch out, Ron. The name's Timmy. I'm a T-Rex cat, you see? Ooh, is that a mouse? False alarm. Janice! Janice, are you in the gutter? Janice! Janice, are you in the... I'm coming! Janice, I'm coming for you! Oh, God! This is a terrible idea! Oh, shit! Oh, man. I love popcorn. Is that...
I'm stuck, Cutest.
Wait.
Oh.
Is that Jerry? Hi, everyone. My name's Gary, over there from the local Raccoon Federation. Just wanted to check in on things here. And whoa, don't worry. Just checking out the water. Yep, there. And you got the cat food. Yes, okay, perfect. So what you can do here, quick little tip for you. Yeah. You take the cat food, right? And you just dip it right in there and just wash your hands in and everything. Oh, that's great. Yeah, so it's really, really easy, simple. Just take the food. Yeah, don't be frugal with it. Yeah. Yeah. That's so good. Yeah, you want some of this? Oh, damn. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So I can tell things are getting a little heated here. So I'm just gonna. God damn, that's some good water. Ooh, yeah. All right. I'll go over here. Ooh, you guys are a couple of crazy little cats over here, aren't you? Well, I'm sorry. Yeah, the one last thing I wanted to show you, quite important actually, is you take a handful of this and suckers. There's no Raccoon Federation. I wonder if I can get some snacks later. I love. Oh, Jesus, Jessica, you gotta warn me before you sneak up on me. What's Oh, of course we got the shoe here. Yep, that's smelling like a pretty good shoe, even a little lick. Yep, that's gonna... Oh, baby! I'm sorry you had to see that. I'm gonna excuse myself. Jeez. Hey, Mary, I was wondering if I could just come up here and give you a little hug. Oh, you want me... Hey, what the hell's going on here?
It's scale day, Robert.
Hey, Mary, just gonna... what are scales? Hop on out of here. All right, just gonna step on here. So how's it looking, Mary? Did I lose any weight?
Group hug over here. I love you guys. What does it mean to be a penguin?
Let's check it out here. Sharon, you just gotta take it. You just gotta bang the shit out of it. Yeah, there you go. All right. Ooh. Oh, thank you, Sharon. I just love ice.
Do you like your new tie?
Of course I like my new tie. Why would you ask that?
It makes you look very handsome.
Oh, well, thank you. I mean, you know my confidence level ever since the breakup has been. But thank you. Well, you see these paws, Timmy? Yeah. They're gonna get you. But you're too slow. Surprise leaf attack. All right, get over here. You think you're tough? Yeah. Come on, get over here. Oh, you got me in the snout, bro. Get over here, Timmy. Time out. There are no timeouts in the leaf-a-gone. All right. Hey, huh? Really hope it's not a strawberry. I hate that. God, let me just yeah, that's a strawberry. You know I'm allergic to strawberries, Jerry. And that's cake. God damn it, I hate cake. You know what? I'm out. What do you got there, Barb? That's just going back and forth there. I don't care about your cake, Jerry. Oh my God, you can just kind of pass this back and forth. Yep, that's still cake. You know what? Where's the fishes? Where's the fishes? You know what, Hank? Whoa, fuck you.
Jesus, Frank.
Yeah, that's right. I've had about up to here with you. Whoa. Okay, Hank, that's what you get, you son of a bitch. You know, if that's how you want to play it. No, what you...
Frank, unbelievable. You know what? Here's what you're gonna get here, son. Get over here, you little wily bastard.
You know what? Oh, that's real nice, Hank.
How do you like it?
You know what? I'm just gonna get a little extra something special for you here. This is what you get. You gillless fuck. Hey, I can do this all day. I hate my neighbors. Hey, Barry, I'm coming. Barry.
Johnny!
I think I can see you.
Yeah, I'm right.
I'm coming up here.
Right here.
What's going on? I'm starting to get a little freaked out.
Oh.
Yeah, we're like 40 feet up. I'm afraid of heights, dude.
Jimmy, open up. It's freezing out here, man.
There we go. All right, so I got the pine cone. You got the goods? Let me see. Ooh, I'm going for the big one. I just got
You didn't call Fuzz, did you? Okay. Let me just test the product out. Just gotta just see if everything checks out. Yeah, it tastes pretty good here.
Come on, almost there, almost got the high school. Wait, what have you done? What have you done? Do you understand the sacrifices I made? Unbelievable. I'm not sorry. Alright, you ready for this? Alright, just gonna take a couple steps back here, and, whoa, fence you, whoa, holy shit, what the fuck is this? That's an orange ball, holy shit!
Hey fellas, any of you seen Tiger Woods? Ooh, man, really hope no one touches my tail. I hate that. Oh, god damn it! Time to slither. Ooh!
What's it gonna be, big man? It's just me and you now. I dare you. Do it! This ain't my first rodeo. I served 2 tours in the Gator Wars in '69, alright? You know how I lost my leg? Trip mine almost took my life.
Oh shit, it's the cops! Alright, I'm out! Ooh, man, tough day on the course, let me tell ya. You know what? This is good as place as any. Yeah, that's that's nice. Alright, just gonna hop down here and hop down there and oh shit! Alright, so I should be able to, if the rock is down there, I should be able to gauge this little hop down there and oh shit, oh no! Yeah, Gary, it's a little slippery. Oh jeez. Walking through the parkour! Whoa! Jerry! Well, that was convenient. Yeah, you just gotta bang that, put it in your pocket, and twirl. 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be good. There you go, Larry. Don't worry, got another one. Oh, I love these fishes. Ooh, what is this, Larry? This is yours.
Yeah, Larry, just gotta bang it right there on the wall. Hold on, I'm coming. Just hang on, Larry. Just gotta try one more thing here. We just gotta come up here, just bang it on the door. Yeah, just bang the shit out of it. Yep. Hold on. 1, 2. Yep, that's gonna be good. All right, Larry. Funny business aside. Give me the thing. Let's do this. Whoa! Hey, Sharon. Listen to me. Have you ever bathed in catnip? Sharon, have you ever done it? Get out of here. I'm tripping my tits off.
Don't talk.
You're new. Well, it's tax season. Yeah, but Dan's doing his taxes online. What would he need you for? Well, we do make it easy, but a visit.
Да, Юль, возмутительно.
눈물 떠 우유 한 잔 생각하세요.
먹으면
سبحان الله ما شاء الله لا اله الا الله
哎呀，可以，没让大家失望是吧？
Do that thing with your eyes.
Money, look.
So I took a video where I was training Pebbles to jump on my chest, and she started smelling my belly button. But I watched it back and noticed she made that face. What's wrong?
哇，他好开心啊！喵，好舒服呀！
来，上课了，上课了，家里人上课了，快点，快点，快点！哎呀，快点上课，诸位，诸位，有没到位的吗？没到位的，我看看谁还没到，谁还没到，赶紧的，做好课前准备了没？
Çok özür dilerim, gülüyorum ama.
救命！救命！哪一狗啊？救命！救命！
Hey. Hey, Garfy Garf.
my goodness, what a good girl. You're so brave.
Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back. Give me that back.
Hey, wake up. Wake up. Time to get up. Oh, come on, get up. It's time to get up. Come on, wake up. Get up. Yes, get up.
Bonnie, what you doing? You sleeping?
Hey, Thomas. Thomas. Did you play that hard?
Again. Sorry, buddy.
Get up on him.
That's cool because of the reflection of the fish tank.
Yeah. Oh, look at staring at chicken.
What?
Oh, that's so neat.
What?
Look at him.
From the reflection of the fish tank, it's like a mirror.
I'm sorry, Rick, but I have to keep taping this.
Go baby like her Cheeto. Baby like her Cheeto.
Is there another cat?
There's another cat in there. This is what the kitten does. Watch.
It's a nice touch, isn't it? Why? That's important to you? Yes. Coming from you. You see, Doctor, you are the best. And so am I. And I'm just knowing that you'll be...
I want you.
Oh no.
Maisie. Maisie. Did you get the box stuck on your head again?
What are you doing, Jaden?
Gabe's gonna try and walk in a costume.
Happy Halloween, Gaby. Gaby doesn't like Halloween.
ライオンの親子みたい。
ぜひ先輩方からたくさん私は推薦をいただきたいです。
何とも思わないということです。せーの、イッテ Q 今夜7時58分。The power of dreams. It's a new dawn. It's a new day. It's a new life. 地球の未来。人の喜び。すべてを調和して超えていく。
You're fine.
No. You can't get out yet. And I told him not to bring his claws out, too. Boo boo, no. Okay. No. Mm-mm. You almost done.
That's right.
Berlin. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it, say meow. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say meow.